Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the Newton-Repson method, and we want to solve any problem by using the Newton-Repson method. Here we take an example of the Newton-Repson method, that is this one, to find the root of this equation up to 4 decimal place. For this purpose, first of all, we start this in this solution and write this again. We substitute some value like 0, 1 and 2. Here the interval change his sign, that is -1 and 5, so its mean the solution over root is between 1 and 2. Now this one, we conclusion from this one, the root is between 1 and 2. Now this one is the formula of the Newton-Repson method. First of all, we put n equal to 0, and this formula can be written in this form by substituting n equal to 0. Now here we need x naught, and what is the x naught? We decide what is x naught. For this purpose, x naught is 1 or 2. We choose x naught or 1 or 2. How we find which one is the best? For this purpose, we find f of 1, f prime of 1 and f double prime of 1, and secondly f of 2, f prime of 2 and f double prime of 2. You people can see that the first one is f of 1 equals -1 and f double prime of 1 is 6. These both are changed sign, so one is not a best choice. Second one is f of 2 equal to 5, f prime of 2 equal to 11, and f double prime of 2 is 12. You can see that the f of 2 and f double prime of 2 both have the same sign, so this one is the best choice for x naught. It means the best choice is x naught equal to 2. Now we need the x naught, that is 2. Now f of x naught, we can find f of x naught by substituting this value in this equation, and we get 5. We need the first derivative f prime of x naught. For this purpose, we substitute 2 in the first derivative and we get 11. Now we're using this formula, and by using all of these values, and we get x1. After getting x1, we replace this one. This equation is the x2, and this formula take this form. This one is the second iterations, and x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 over f prime of x1. Now we calculate all of these value x1 and f of x1 and f prime of x1, and substitute all of these value, and after substitution and simplification we get this result. This one is the x2, and same as we find x3, x4 and f5. Here we have to find the result. We find the positive root up to 4 decimal place. That means we need to the result match up to 4 decimal place. You can see here the 3247 and 3247. There are first 4 decimal are match, and 2 also we match, but we need only to 4. The all 4 digits are matched, so the over approximate result is 1.32472. Thank you very much for watching Education for All.